Hello viewers, Ford DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the engine air filter on a BMW 335d E90 body style. This is a 2010 model. A similar procedure may apply to other BMW models with the same engine. This has the M57 3-liter inline 6-cylinder. I'm currently partnered with Turner Motorsport. They are a reputable BMW supplier that has been present in the community for a number of years. With every sale from their website, using the link in the video description, I do get a bit of cutback to keep my channel going. A link to this air filter will be provided in the video description. A dirty or plugged air filter can cause a variety of issues consisting of poor fuel economy, poor performance, throttle hesitation, and even thrown engine light. Here I'm using my Foxwell NT530 OBD scanner. A BMW specific scanner is recommended to pull the codes. Generic OBD2 codes can possibly send you on a chase trying to sort out the issue. If you do have a check engine light, and if that code is 4D76 for changing the air temp sensor, this can potentially be a plugged air filter. A friend of mine told me about this issue. It's quite common amongst the BMW diesels. So if you're watching this, thank you for the info. A link to the scanner will also be included in the video description. First is opening the hood. The air filter is located on the left side when facing the front of the car. There are 3 latches on the air box, one on each side and one at the rear. The top cover locks into the bottom section behind the headlight. This can be pulled up to replace the filter. However, it is a good idea to clean your air box before installing a new filter. Using a standard screwdriver, loosen the intake hose gear clamp. This will allow us to remove the top cover of the air box and place it off to the side. There is no need to disconnect the sensor wire. As you can see, there is quite a bit of debris on the old air filter and in the air box. Using a vacuum cleaner, remove as much debris as possible. The assistance of a brush can be used to help agitate the surface, loosening up any debris. After that was using another brush with a bottle of water. Soap can also be used if you wish. There are drain holes in the bottom of the air box, therefore there's no issue with water pooling. It's always important to make sure those drain holes are not plugged either. Starting out with a clean air box before the new filter is installed will prolong the life of the air filter. Compare the old and new air filters to ensure they are the same. As you can see, the old filter is quite dirty when compared to the new replacement. With the air box dry, a new filter can then be installed. Push the air filter into place, ensure it's properly seated all the way around the perimeter. Install the airbox cover and clip it back into place on the intake hose. Make sure the filter doesn't push out when locking on the bottom portion. Then lock the latches into place. Finally is finishing up with tightening that gear clamp. If you do have an engine code, that code may disappear over time with driving. However, you can also clear the codes using the scanner. I do have a video specifically for going more in depth with the scanner. This is just a brief overview. You would plug in the scanner and turn the ignition into the on position without the engine running. Then select the preloaded BMW diagnostic feature and finally scan the codes. Once the scanner is done, you can select the option to clear the codes. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.